Good morning, all of you. Welcome to today's session. In this topic, I want to discuss about coding and decoding, which comes under the reasoning part of analytical skills. So far, you have learned about number series, letter series, and other interesting topics under analytical skills. This is also one of the very interesting topic, coding and decoding. In this, what we do, so whenever a word in English alphabet is given to you, whether it has a significant meaning or not, it doesn't mean. What we do is we transform that word, in other words, we code that word into a new word by means of some pattern. So, the way we change or transform a given word into another word by a specific way is called coding. So, by identifying the way of transformation, we have decoded or write the same order code for another given word. So, there are different modules in this, like letter coding, number coding, symbol coding, alphanumeric coding, tabular data, and miscellaneous concepts. So, in this means we give a alternate letter to each letter in the given word, that we call it as the letter coding. Coming to number coding, for each letter in the word, we give a specific number under a certain way, so that we call it as the number coding. And for each letter in the word, we give a respective symbol that we call it as symbol coding. Like this, we are going to do all these 6 models in this, right? The next way is, I have taken one simple example, which is nothing but elephant. Here what I have done, I have shown different patterns which are possible for the word elephant using this letter coding. So for example, if you take the first one, TNAHPELE, it is nothing but I have taken the letters of the word in the reverse manner, like NTAHPELE. If you take the second one, there I have done it as the first 4 letters are taken reverse and the remaining 4 letters are taken reverse. Now, on the slides, what I have shown here, you observe the remaining patterns and it is your turn to find the remaining things for the same word elephant, so that I will understand that you have done better for the part of coding and decoding.